Hello, today I'll be installing this dash cam. This is for the Colorado, and here's the year. And the brand is right here. It's Mangoal. I'm about to do a quick unboxing, and it'll be for this truck right here. This is a 2018 Colorado. So this is all what it comes. It comes with the camera. So it'll be like a factory look camera. You get an SD card slot. You get this OBD cable for powering it on. You can either use this, or you can use your factory mirror. That's what I'm going to be using as a factory mirror, your rear view mirror plug. You get your GPS, and that's the rear camera. And you get a little trim tool too. So the camera will be going right here. So you see this black, this is that black box. It's gonna go right here, right on. It's gonna be replacing this black box. And there should be a cord. I think the cord is in here for the mirror. So I lower the mirror down like this. You grab your little pry tool. You should be able to pry this right there. See it's going? So you gotta go all the way around like that. This unclips. So I'm gonna go around and pry it down and show it to you. So yeah, this just falls off. Remember, it just clips. And now you just have to remove, I think it's just this plastic piece. So let me pause the video and do it. So you just have, there's two clips in here, right there. One clip there, one clip there. It just comes out and the thing removes from the mirror. Look at that. So now it's a bare thing. Here's the plugs we're gonna use right here. That's where we're gonna get power for the dash cam. All right, so we're gonna be using this right here. So there's gonna be a wire right here. You have to remove it, like this loose cable, just so you can get your finger in here. It's a little hard, but you'll be able to press it and it comes off. See this harness right here came out? There's a little clip you gotta press right here. This comes out easily. Then we're gonna grab this, the one that came with the kit. So this will go right here to your factory mirror plug, and then this will connect here. And that's how we get power to the camera. So this will go to the camera right here, this little thingy. Okay, so I'm not gonna connect this yet, but I'll just leave it disconnected for now. So here's the rear camera right here. We're gonna, this is the front camera. We're gonna be connecting the rear camera now. So it says right here, rear camera and the front camera. So here's my rear camera. We're gonna run the wiring. It's a USB-C wire. You can disconnect it from here if you want. So the rear camera is gonna go on the back. So this truck has a rear window too, sliding window right here. See it? So it opens that way. So we won't be able to put a camera here. We'll be putting the camera probably right here or right here. Maybe right here. The higher the better. So the camera will be like right here. I have to see, maybe even right here. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I'm not sure. Probably right here. The higher the better, I guess, just to make it more hidden. So it's gonna be right here. And we're gonna be mounting it on here, not on these lines. These are your rear heating for melt the ice. But make sure this, and you see how it says right here? It says, please make sure the screen is not upside down. So there's an arrow up, so this has to go like this. Don't mount it like this. So mount it like that. So I'm gonna be probably mounting it right here, right on the side right here. I don't think it's not touching the thing. Yeah, it is not touching the thing. So I'm probably gonna be mounting it right here. And the wire is gonna go up here. Let me just see this rear window, if it's not in the way. No, the rear window's not even in the way, so yeah. So I'm gonna be mounting it on this side, on the driver's side. So I'll be running the wire here, here, and go to the front. So I'm gonna start from the front and run to the back, because they give you too much wire, and I'd rather have tuck more of the wire in the back than in the front. So the front camera does have a lot of wires too. So where you connect the rear camera has a lot. So I'm gonna start from the front. All right, so this is the rear camera right here. I was able to put it in this hole right here, and now I'm just gonna run the wire through the top, see, through the top, and I'm using this orange thing, and I'm just pushing it in there. I'm pushing it like this, and I'm using this orange thing, and I'm pushing it in there. Okay, so I decided I'm gonna connect everything here. I ran the wire this far, then it's gonna go in here, and here, and then it's gonna be behind this rubber piece. But I wanna finish here, make sure everything's connected, and button everything up. Also, you gotta connect your GPS. There's the GPS right there, and they want you to put it like on the dash. Not on top, not there. They want you to put it right there, like on the dash. So I might put mine's like on the window right there, right in the corner. And here's the GPS right here. So it connects to the camera unit too. So that's your power. This is the rear camera. And this will be the GPS. It even says on here GPS. So I'm gonna connect my GPS, put all the wires, and run all the wires good. So my GPS will run that way. Go down, and it'll connect right there. All right, so I managed to get it in there. The fitment is all right. It's not perfect, but I was able to snap it in. It's just there's a little gap right here. I don't know if you can tell, but there is a gap right there. Right here. It's not perfectly sealed, but it's holding. It's pretty sturdy. And here's my GPS cable. It's gonna run that way. And I'm running my rear camera. So then it's gonna go in here. Then you're gonna peel this off. You're gonna peel that off. It's gonna run between here. So this panel can pop off, and I ran the cord on top. So now you peel this rubber piece off, and then you'll just run it in here, and then you'll snap this back in there, so it'll be all hidden. Okay, so I got everything installed. That's how it looks. The wires just hide. I ran the GPS there, and there's the GPS right there. So the wiring goes on the side, through the top, and there. Then the rear camera. Here's the rear camera right here. Right there, you can see it. When it's on, you can see it's glowing. And you see this arrow? So the arrow is supposed to actually point down, not up, because if it points up, then the image will be upside down, and you cannot change the option. You cannot flip the image in the option, so make sure you mount the camera the right way. So the arrow, for me, is supposed to point down. If it points down, it's perfect. It's the right. I don't have to flip the image, because there is no option to flip the image. So make sure it points down. And that's how I run like this through here, through the pillar, and it runs inside here. The wire goes here, goes in here, and through to the camera right there. And that's how the front looks. Sorry for the glare. I'm gonna try taking one outside, but you can't even tell there's a camera there. And the nice part is, so you on this side you have an SD card slot. Let me get a better view. Right there, there's an SD card slot right here. You can literally just press it and it pops out. You don't have to use no tweezers or nothing. So you have to use an app. So if you want to view the images, you gotta use an app. And I'll show you the app right now. So the app they want you to use is hold on. You'll be able to scan this QR code and it takes you to this app right here. And honestly, if you just follow the instruction, it tells you everything. It's pretty self-explanatory. Also, I have this dongle right here. So just in case if I wanna, let's say, view the videos on my phone, I can just take this SD card out right there and put it in this dongle right here, and this will connect to my phone. It's a USB-C. So the SD card will go right here, and then you just connect it to your phone's charger port, and you can view all the videos, whatever the dash can record it. And next I'm going to show you how the video looks when I'm driving.